What's up? I'm pretty happy because we are at a kind of new-ish location. We never come here. And we're going to fly in today's video for you a foldable micro drone. Should be a lot of fun. But here's a little secret. We've got some boats coming to the channel soon. Let's check out the new area. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia is with Grandma and Grandpa. Popeye is at the house. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. If you're new to our channel, hello. I'm glad you're here. We have over 1,400 videos just for you of family fun RC content. Family friendly.
You can do it.
Family friendly fun RC content. We try to keep it pretty clean. We're not professional, just clean. Guys, today we're going to fly a little micro drone. It's been a while since we've flown a micro drone, inside or outside, and I'm just happy that it's calm enough that we can be flying outside. I can give you guys a little sneak peek of what's to come to the channel.
Lake.
Before I fly this, there's something special I wanted to do for a good friend of mine. Some of you know who he is, but most of you do not. Now, I know you love when we do our RC plane videos. What?
Nothing.
What's the big smile for? Oh. Hello. Good, how are you? I'm making new friends. This hobby is all about meeting new people. Anyway, a good friend of ours, and I know you guys like when we do plane videos, but we just don't do them enough. Well, what if I told you I knew someone that does airplane videos every single day? What if I told you they were live videos every day? Well, I think that's really cool. Now, there may be someone else out there doing that, but it's the first time I've ever heard of it, and he's certainly a lot braver than me to fly live in the wind and rain and just whatever is getting thrown at him. My buddy Burt. Now, I've met him years ago at flying events, and we always meet up a couple times a year and have a lot of fun flying together. He's been on the channel a couple times, but today's his birthday, and I wanted to just give him some subscribers for his birthday. So if you'd like to help me do that.
His channel name is I Just Got Here.
Yes, I Just Got Here.
It'll be linked in the description box below.
When you go to his channel, just say, hey, happy birthday, Gary, from me, whoever you are, and the RC Sailors. That would be so much fun and just a special treat. He has no idea this is coming. It'll be a surprise sneak attack from amazingly nice people. Just give him a subscribe, or at the very least, watch one of his videos. They're so much fun. They're live, and he keeps it family friendly too. He crashes probably just as much as I do. And
still keeps it family friendly.
So anyway, this was a very special thing I wanted to do for him. Again, he has no idea it's coming, so help me be a part of that surprise and just overwhelm him. And then the next day we can watch him live and see what he thinks. That should be a lot of fun. So let's fly this little micro drone and just get to what we sought out to do for this video. All right, this is just a nice little non-altitude hold drone, folding arms.
There's Nate's new friends.
Those are my new friends.
He does attract the older lady crowd. I have to fend them off all the time.
It's been since day one for me. It's true.
Is that?
I don't know.
It's so funny.
I part my hair on the left or something. I have no idea why.
Old ladies just love Nate.
Yes, and that is, could we call them a gaggle of? Is that too offensive? Because they're on the water. It's funny. They're as a group. Gaggle, right? Yes, they were. When they started off drifting by, they were very loud. And then they got closer to us, and they were like, I looked over, and they were all staring at me, and quiet as could be. I mean, even the frogs got quiet. And so I had to say hi and stuff. That's what the little interruption was. Anyway, I know this is a weird video for us because I have not even talked about this drone at all. It's a nice drone. It's flying really well. Let's have some fun. There's one version of it that has a camera. We're flying the version without a camera. It's got that bright light on the front. Let's just zip it around because that's what I want to do. Zip, 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 zip it around. Look at that. I like non-altitude hold drones.
I thought you said this was altitude hold.
It says it on the box, but it is not.
So this version isn't. Maybe like the camera version is.
Probably, yes. And I think we've actually done the camera version of this on the channel, possibly.
Probably. After 1,400 videos, it gets hard to keep track.
It does, yeah. But it does very much resemble things we've done on the channel before. The flips are nice.
A lot of people ask us, what do you do with your RCs when you're done with it? Well, lately, we've been
a lot of them are getting
on our eBay store.
Yeah, a lot of them are getting sold on eBay because unfortunately YouTube income is going down even though subscriber count is going up. That's all YouTubers. We've had a couple people complain about ads on the videos, but it's free content. Gotta have the ads there. But the big thing is we have a child. We gotta feed that thing.
She's expensive.
She is expensive.
Oh,
and so
but if you go to our eBay store right now, there's not gonna be like anything there. Give us 2 weeks.
Yeah, you've got me sold out right now.
Yeah, 2 weeks. Check it back. Wait, what am I trying to say?
Check it in about 2 weeks.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll have some more stuff on there. I've got a little pile of things that I'd like to probably sell on there. And I don't know about this drone though, Abby. I'm really liking this. If you've got 15 bucks in your pocket just burning a hole in the wallet, spend it on this. This is a really good little flyer. So it even has 3 rates. I was flying fine in rate 1.
Well, just there you are.
But we've got no wind right now, which is really maybe 1 mile an hour breeze because it is drifting a little bit. This thing is a blast to fly. It's just simple little micro drone, very capable flyer.
I keep losing you.
It's small.
Where are you going?
I'll try to keep it in frame a little better for you here. We'll keep it over in that same spot, make it easier to fly.
It's always hard to film when we're in front of trees.
Yeah, I know. I apologize. In real life, it's super easy to see this, but on the camera for you guys, we do our best with that zoom lens and all the gear we have, trying to help it make it look like a stable video and everything, but it is probably hard to see that black drone against those trees, which is why we like to fly at our airfield, because Death Valley creates this open sky space, making it much easier to see the drones, which is why we fly there most of the time. You guys always ask, like, why don't we get out and go fly our drones at places like this? Well, I'd love to, but honestly, wouldn't you rather us fly at the airfield? The drone is easier to see. Yep,
it just looks better.
Yeah. I think I like rate 2. Rate 2 feels really good. I don't lose a lot of altitude when I full pitch forward or sideways. I can just zip around and do what I want. Hit that flip button, flip any direction. I don't lose any altitude. This is a winner. I'm not going to rant and rave about this because I don't think there's any reason to. I'm not going to get super excited because it is just a little drone, but this is great. It's a winner in every single aspect of just a simple to fly, non-altitude hold drone. Very awesome. I really like this thing. I'll have a link in the description box below for you to find out the best price. I'll also have a pinned comment for you to make it easy to find. And if you want to grab one of these for under 20 bucks, add it to your collection, surprise yourself. You know, a month from now it'll come because it's slow shipping on the slow boat from China, and have a good time with it. Just front yard flyer. This is great size to fly inside too. Comes with prop guards, so you could fly it inside if you're new to flying, you think you might bang into things, put those prop guards on, and it folds up really small. Check this out.
Show off.
Those arms just fold right up. That's small enough that can actually fit in your pocket. You're not going to hurt anything at all. That's really nice.
Because everybody just puts drones in their pockets. That's the new fad. Put your glasses in your pocket too, Nathan. Nice. Seems like a really good flyer.
Yeah, I mean, you could fit 3 of these in the cup holder of your car if you don't want to put them in your pocket.
If you're not convinced that this is the drone for you, at the end of this video on our end screen, we'll have another recommendation that we think you guys might like.
Something fun.
So be sure to go check out that video too.
That's right. Now this has a removable battery.
Removable? Okay.
You can take the battery out and charge it and put another battery in. I don't really like drones. A lot of drones this size are guilty of having just a single battery inside and you can't replace the battery, but this one you can. I'll show you at the very end of the video here. Now it has a proprietary shell around it, which I don't like, but at least you can remove it and buy new batteries if you so choose. What do you guys think? Micro drone? Yeah? You notice we've been steering away from drones a little bit. We flooded our channel last year with drones. I think we did every single one in the world. And now all we can do is, hey, this one's the version without the camera. Oh my god.
I've only seen one person on our channel consistently been asking.
More drones.
More drones. Only one though.
Only one person.
So this is for you.
This is for you, buddy. Yeah, this is great. This is simple. I mean, I just can't. What do you want me to say? There's our friends. They're hiding from us.
I know, they haven't gone very far. It's like they're watching behind that bush.
Yeah.
They're like, maybe he can't see us. they're looking at you, Nathan.
I know. They got their binoculars and everything. Oh, if you're a lady and we'll just say
40 plus.
40 plus maybe.
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Nate, but I'm married. So.
Really, it's 60 plus is who really attracts.
Guaranteed every time.
Right.
Why are we talking about
Except
this?
that one lady at Kohl's who was kind of grouchy toward you.
That was around the Giving Tree time, and I was very surprised. She was a groucho.
She was like, get to the point.
Was Chenzoff with us?
No, it was just me and you.
Oh man, she was
grouchy. Like, get to the point. And so I had to step in like, okay, she does not like my husband.
No.
Oh, it's just fun.
Not everyone in the world's gonna like this guy. It's okay. Oh, full throttle. Battery's getting low. I'm gonna save it.
All right.
I sincerely hope that you guys don't take most of what I say seriously. We want you to stop by our channel, escape the world of whatever problems you might be having. You know, there's a million things that could be going wrong in your life, and just kind of relax for 10-15 minutes and enjoy the goofiness of what we do with an RC vehicle. That's the point of our channel. We do, when it comes to the vehicle itself, we're serious. This is a good drone, and for less than $20 you can't go wrong. You should add this to your collection if that's the kind of thing you're after. But the gist of what we're doing is just to provide an escape for a little bit of the craziness and the awfulness of the world, because there's so much going on. And so sometimes people take us a little too seriously, because most of the RC world is extremely serious, and I just want to, every time I watch some other channels sometimes and like get some of the comments that we have, I want to be the Joker from Batman and just be like, why so serious? Because you shouldn't be. It's just for fun. And that's kind of the point I'm getting at here. Also with Gary, I Just Got Here's channel, please, if you do anything today, just go subscribe to him. It's his birthday. Give the guy an awesome birthday. At least check out a few of his videos and give his views a little spike there. It's an amazing feeling when you work so hard to create a YouTube channel and people see what you do and appreciate it.
Yeah, it's May 5th. May the 5th be with you guys. Nathan, come on.
I missed it. I know. I should have done something.
No, you didn't miss it. It's still May 5th.
No, it's May the 4th. May the 4th.
Why am I?
What's wrong with you? I did miss it.
I did this yesterday.
Yeah.
It's Cinco de Mayo. That's what today is.
That's right.
Yesterday I woke up to him and I said, May the 5th be with you, Nathan.
But yesterday
and
was
here
the 4th.
it is, May the 5th. What's wrong with me?
May the 4th, yeah. Sorry I missed that to everyone. I had a few friends wish me a happy 4th. Oh, actually the best one was our friend Jan. She put on a Darth Vader mask with our RC Sailor hat on top. That made my day, Jan. Thank you very much for that. That was awesome. Anyway.
Where were we going with this?
This was just a very goofy, kind of a different video. I wanted to just have some fun with something I didn't have to review too seriously, to give you guys an opportunity to wish Gary a happy birthday. So go get him over 100 subscribers. Give him 500 subscribers. He deserves it. He has done this since January 1st. He hasn't missed...
That's where I was going with it.
Yes, May the 4th, May the 5th. He hasn't missed a single day. Every single day he goes live. I think one day he missed because his equipment failed or something. But seriously, that's amazing. Every day he goes live, and it's legit live. And
it's funny. Some days are funny.
My favorite parts are when he crashes. I'm sorry, Gary, but that's my absolute favorite. It's just hilarious.
People got mad when I laughed at you crashing, man. We laugh at Gary all the time.
I do. I donated a plane.
Crashes are awesome. That's why there's crash compilation
because
videos.
We all crash. And so I think that's what's so real about his videos. People say that about our videos. They're real because they are, but his are even more real because they're live. He can't sugarcoat that. If he crashes, baby, you saw it was live. And then after he's finished, he uploads it.
Well, and then he walks in front of the camera and goes, well,
that wasn't too good, was it? There's something funny. It's hilarious. He's a super real guy. He's family friendly. And just tell him happy birthday from you and the RC Sailors when you go stop by, please. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. And don't forget about this drone. We'll have a link down there too.